Here we're going to look at some possible multiplication strategies. So this first one, 4 times 3,000, you may just know the answer to that, but if you got something similar to that you couldn't just see, you can remember that 3,000 is just 3 times 1,000. And then you could do the 4 times 3, which is 12, and multiply that by 1,000, which you should know is 12,000. As I said, you may just spot that right at the beginning. For the second one, if we just multiply in a different order here, I can see that 2 times 50 is 100. So let's do it in the order 2 times 50 times 15. And then that's 100 times 15, which is 1,500. Now if we look at part C, I've got 18 times 4. And of course there's no reason at all why you can't use the multiplication algorithm here. 4 times 8 is 32, 2 down, carry 3. 4 times 1 is 4, and 3 is 7. And so the answer is 72. Another way of doing that might be doing something like 20 times 4. But then I've got too many 4s. So let's just take away 2 times 4. And that's going to be the same as 18 times 4. I've got 20 lots of 4, and I'm taking away 2 lots of 4. So that's going to be 80 take away 8, which is 72. These are the sorts of strategies that you can use when doing it in your head. Part D is very similar. We could say 7 times 100, but then I've got too many lots of 7. So take away 2 times 7. That's going to give me 700. Take away 14, which is 686. Now, the final example here really is fairly difficult. 16 times 18. And of course, no reason at all why you can't use the algorithm to do this one. But can we spot a strategy that doesn't just do the algorithm? Well, I could split this into 10 times 18, add 6 times 18. So that's 10 lots of 18 and 6 lots of 18, making up my 16 lots of 18. And clearly 10 times 18 is 180. And then 6 times 18, I could do that as 6 times 10 and 6 times 8. So that's going to be 180, add 60, add 48. And if I add the second 2 there, that's 108. And so that is going to be 180 and 100. So we're doing 180 add 100. That's going to be 280. And then we add another 8. So that's going to be 288.